Yes.
I'm Puri and Dennis.
I'm Roddy.
I'm Dennis. Hi.
I'm Judith. Hello.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, how long have you been here
Staying.
in Indonesia? Staying in Indonesia?
Half a week.
A week?
Half a week.
Oh, half a week.
Wow.
Oh, so long. Do you
Started in Jakarta,
Jakarta?
and then we went to Borneo for 3 days.
Oh,
It was
very
really beautiful.
I never go there. What, did you, this is the first time that you arrived in Indonesia?
Yes, it's our first time in Indonesia. We like it very much. Yeah.
How about the temple? It's
Beautiful.
After this, when will you go? After in Borobudur?
Yeah, we go to
To Prambanan Temple
Prambanan
and see Yogyakarta.
Jakarta. I think Indonesia has so many food, right? So spicy. You have tried food from Indonesia before?
Traditional food maybe?
Nasi goreng or
We
mie goreng?
had good egg.
Yeah.
It's sweet. The taste is sweet, right?
Yeah.
And then,
Do you like it?
yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
or like some snack traditional cake from from Central Java, from Yogyakarta, I mean, like dodol or
Not yet.
Oh, not yet. Yeah. Maybe you can try
You can try.
bakpia.
bakpia
But it's famous in
in Yogyakarta.
Yogyakarta.
Okay.
You
Bakpia.
can buy for souvenir maybe, and then if you want to go in Indonesia, the next place, maybe you can go in Lombok.
We will go to Lombok.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's from Lombok.
We want to hike to the Rinjani.
Ah,
We booked the tour for 3 days, so we want to do
there-
some
there is
hiking.
Do you like hiking?
Yeah, we do that a lot in the
Germany.
Alps.
Like this.
Where?
This one.
Yes, Rinjani.
This picture.
Yeah.
So we're really looking forward to do that.
And
You can fish there.
Cool.
Ah, okay.
and then this
Then
is
you can visit what name?
Pink Beach.
Pink
Pink
Beach
Beach
maybe?
in Lombok.
Pink
This is
Beach.
Pink Beach from Lombok. And then this is like in Java we have batik. Have you ever tried
The
batik?
coats.
The clothes
Yes.
batik. And
In
in
my hometown there is a songket.
Songket. The name is Songket. And this from.
It's beautiful. Yeah.
So if make this one, the worker have to do it for 2 months. So
So long to
so long, and then the price for Songket is a little bit expensive
Yes,
because
of course, it's lots of
this
fun.
is made by hand. And then this is the culture, traditional culture from Lombok. What is
Presian name.
Rasean?
Name is Presian. The fighter.
Okay.
And this is actually from my hometown. And if you, I think
So where are you from?
I'm from Jember.
Java.
So
It's
Jember,
Java.
yeah, it's Java. So if you want to go Lombok and you will pass my hometown. And before my hometown is like Jember, Banyuwangi, Bali, and then Lombok. You go in Lombok by train or?
We have a tour that goes to Mount Bromo and Ijen, and then we will take the ferry to Bali, and from Bali we will go to Lombok.
There is so many places that is so beautiful
Yeah,
too.
A lot of foreigner there.
And
Maybe
then
you can visit Mandalika if you in
if you
Lombok.
have MotoGP,
MotoGP. If you watch
MotoGP
MotoGP.
have in Mandalika like 2000 what?
What?
Mandalika.
Yeah, what?
MotoGP 2000?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know.
I don't understand what you
Sorry,
say.
I'm very nervous because this is our first time and
You're
sorry.
doing very well.
Yeah, and then behind Mandalika you can you can see the beach. The beach name is Mandalika.
Mandalika Beach.
Kuta Beach.
Kuta Beach.
Kuta Beach. Same like Bali. The name.
Oh, the name is
Kuta.
Bali. Oh. also after this you go to Prambanan temple.
Yeah.
With you just two or you have?
No, we're
you
just
do-
the two of us.
Oh, I think you have tour guide. You just walk two of us. Are you couple?
Yes.
You're so beautiful.
We're not afraid at all. The people are very helpful in Indonesia. So.
You're so beautiful. I like your nose because my nose is not sharp. My nose.
Your nose is perfect.
Oh, my God.
yes. Your nose is perfect.
And I like your style.
You want to walk?
Yeah, we have a tour at 10:30.
So we have a
go
little
up
bit
to
of
the,
time
we have a
and
little
use
time
it to walk
to
around.
walk around, and then we have a tour to look at it.
So this is the biggest Buddhist temple in
Yes.
Indonesia.
Yeah.
It's one of our highlights of the trips we said.
Yeah. And this is my first go here. But when I was senior, senior high school, the time is not like that. I think I mean that the ticketing from the temple is so far, right? You have to ride car. But when I was senior, we can just walk.
And probably everybody could climb the
Yeah.
structures
Yeah.
without a tour and yeah.
And
It's always the problem. The more tourists come, the more regulation.
like
Yeah.
that. And then, if I'm not wrong, this will be event and maybe 12 of May. The event is this, if I'm not wrong.
What the name?
Lampion. You know, Lampion Festival
Okay.
in this.
This place,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Sounds nice. Yeah.
And then, what? Do you wanna ask them?
I can't because I'm not from here. I'm from Lombok. I don't know.
Have you learned Indonesian language?
No.
It's really difficult for us.
Oh.
Because they just arrived in here, right?
Well, but we say
What do you say for hello?
hello. Yeah, in English same. Hello.
Hello or
Hello.
hi.
Hello and yeah, hello or hi. And then how are you in Germany?
Wie geht es dir?
In Indonesia we can say apa kabar.
Apa kabar?
Nah, apa kabar. And if you want to say like thank you, you can say like terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Yeah, like that. Or in Java, you want to know in Java language? Terima kasih is like matur nuwun. It's for local people in here. Matur nuwun. It's like that. I think
So how many people really speak Indonesian as a mother language, or is it do people usually speak there, like you said, Javanese or whatever? And
actually Indonesia is our national language, but every province, every island have different language. In Javanese, like Central Java, we use Java language like that I said before. If you want to say halo apa kabar, in Javanese we say ki kabare, like that. And different with Lombok, you can say in Lombok
What?
how to say how are you,
What you ask me?
how are you.
How are you?
How are you? How are you in Lombok? You can say berembe kabar. There is different berembe kabar. You can try berembe kabar.
Karambi, kabar?
Like that.
Okay.
Because in Indonesia so many.
So
But the languages are all somehow related to each other? These are all Austronesian languages?
No, different.
condition, different.
Okay.
Different, but we use for national language, we use Indonesia.
Yeah.
But
Different accent.
different accent.
Okay. Is there a region where people speak Indonesian as their first language?
No.
No. So how did this language develop then?
In the past, the Netherlands is kill us. No, not kill us. How to say? we have colonized by by Netherlands. So the Indonesian language a little bit similar with Netherlands, with Dutch, but for national, because this national Indonesia, actually Indonesia like Melayu, but not Melayu, because Melayu is mixed Melayu and English, but Indonesia just Indonesia.
Okay.
And yeah, so many language from the island like Borneo.
Yeah, because a lot of island in Indonesia, so different
It's like
different culture, different
different
accent.
different culture, yeah. And then Indonesia has 17,000 islands, so there are so many language and different language. If you visit Java, you can maybe you heard some people will say with Java language, and if you visit Lombok with Lombok language, what the language?
Sasak.
Sasak language, and Borneo has the other language, but to mix to solve the different language, we use Indonesia to national language.
So you study at school.
Yeah.
So if you go to school, you start to study Indonesian language.
Yeah.
Like that. And we have course and we study English. So
But English is really good. We've been to China before. We do a big journey. We started in Thailand and then we've been to China. And the people in China, they don't speak English. They don't speak English. I mean, for them it's difficult too, yeah. But they don't speak English at all. So for us, it's good in Indonesia. The people speak English. It's great.
and in Germany, national language is
German.
German.
Germany.
All the people in Germany speak German, but we have
It's very similar to Dutch, actually.
Oh,
So Dutch developed somehow from an earlier form of German.
the accent is different. So the people in the south, they speak a little bit different to the people in the north, but it's the same words, it's the same language, so we can understand each other. It's just a different accent.
yes, Germany has just Germany or English or like us Indonesia.
Just German.
Just
It's
German.
just Germany. Guten Morgen, right?
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, so at the borders, there are small regions where people speak the language of the country that is next to Germany.
But they also speak German.
That's very small areas. And German is also spoken in some other countries, like in
Austria.
Switzerland, Austria, in
Parts
Luxembourg,
of Italy.
parts of Italy, in Belgium a little bit.
Yes, Germany.
Yeah, so not the whole country, but there are parts of Belgium where they speak German.
Yes.
It's rather difficult in Europe because borders have changed so much in the past, and
So many accents.
there are a lot of accents. Yeah. So it's really for Southerners, it's often difficult to understand people from the north and the other way around.
But we can understand.
Yeah. So I mean, people tend to speak more and more the standard form of German, and not so much their dialects, because of course in the media they use standard German, in the school they use standard German.
And people moving in Germany. Now we don't stay always at our family's home. You go where you get a good job. So maybe you're from Munich, from the south, but you have a good job in Hamburg, in the north. So you go to Hamburg. And that's happened quite often nowadays. The people look where's a good job, and they move to the job. So people start to speak standard German.
I have dream go to Germany. Maybe I can go to. You have.
I'm a teacher.
Oh, you are teacher.
I'm a teacher for nurses, to become a nurse. And in our school we always have students from Indonesia. So at home they go to the Goethe Institute in Indonesia, they study German, and then most of them they first do an au pair and something like this, and then they start to go to school to become a nurse. And I've got one student from Lombok, and she's becoming a nurse now. But if she's finished, she wants to do her A-level and she wants to become a doctor. She wants to study medicine. And her German is really good. I think it's always tough to study a language and then go abroad. And
So what subject did you teach?
nursing.
Oh, nursing.
Nursing, yeah, to become a nurse in a hospital. So that's what I'm teaching. And
Such a great job. Not because nursing, science, doctor is difficult, really difficult. And then, what? sorry, we are nervous.
Yeah.
And,
you're doing good.
and maybe you want continue your work
tour?
around?
Yeah. It was nice to meet
Yeah.
you.
Nice
Yeah.
to meet you.
Very nice to meet you.
And we're looking forward to see your home country.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Very
helping
great.
us to make conversation with you.
You're very welcome. Have a
Have
lot
a nice
of fun
day
with
and
the
have
other
fun with your English
foreigners.
course. Okay? Have a nice day.
Have a nice
Goodbye.
day.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye.
Enjoy your holiday.
Goodbye.
Thank you
so
very
much.
much. Goodbye. Have a nice
Goodbye.
day. Bye.
Have a good holiday. Bye bye.